What's up, everyone? It's a really sad day here in Micro Four Thirds news, the world we live in. Things are getting pretty bad today. And GoPro Mission 1 will not have contacts for autofocus. Now some clowns will say, well, why don't you just manually focus and lock the focus? You can't if you don't even have contacts on the camera. None of my Micro Four Thirds lenses will even manual focus because they're focused by a wire, okay? They're not like old DSLR or SLR lenses or something like that where you have autofocus and true manual focus. Like the old screw drive Minolta and Nikon lenses back in the day. Yeah, we don't have those anymore. So GoPro Mission 1, you're not on a mission. You're on a collision course to hell. That's what you guys are. Yeah, you have a bunch of satanic clowns working at GoPro who made that piece of junk. Yeah, I hate to tell you, it's a piece of junk. What if I bought that camera, right? Let's say I buy the GoPro Mission 1. What are my options? Put an adapter and put my old Minolta and manual focus lenses on, really, with a 2.7 crop, really, with a 1 inch sensor, really? That's your idea? Huh? What if I get a Micro Four Thirds manual focus lens? Maybe from many of the manufacturers. What's that one? I can't remember. There's one good one. I can't. Not Viltrox. That's junk. It's another V company. But anyway, there's multiple companies. But come on, there's no weather sealing on those lenses either. Really, manual focus Micro Four Thirds lenses. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. So what if I want to jump in this lake with that GoPro Mission 1? I'm not on a mission. I'm going to die with my camera. That's right. I'm going to die with the GoPro Mission 1 right here. You see this? Oh, I can't do it. The phone's like reverse. It's screwing me up. Hold on. I think I can do it. Right there. That's where I'm going to dive into. Right? And nothing's going to survive. I'm not going to survive. The GoPro's not going to survive. So if they find my body and the guy's like, hey, we pulled up this guy from the river, and guess what? We got a free camera, and that's broken too. Really, GoPro? That's your idea? GoPro, make another GoPro with a true Micro Four Thirds lens. Make it weather sealed. Give it contacts for autofocus. Okay, I don't care about having like continuous autofocus on a GoPro. I just want to be able to lock it down or use manual focus with my existing lenses because they're focused by wire. And everybody that worked on that stupid camera at R&D at your corporation, you need to fire them. And then you need to hire me because I know what I'm talking about. You understand? So GoPro, do better next time.